Hello, fellow gardeners. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of pruning the lower leaves of your tomato plants for healthy growth and abundant harvest. Pruning the lower leaves allows more air and sunlight to reach all parts of the plant, promoting better circulation and reducing the risk of diseases such as blight and mold. It's a crucial step in maintaining the health and productivity of your tomato plants. So let's dive into the world of tomato plant pruning and learn how to do it effectively for a bountiful harvest. Pruning the lower leaves of a tomato plant is a crucial step in maintaining plant health and promoting better growth. Using a pair of sharp pruning shears or pruning scissors, carefully trim off any leaves that are close to the ground and at risk of touching the soil. This not only helps prevent the spread of diseases but also improves air circulation around the plant, reducing the chances of fungal infections. By keeping the lower part of the plant clean and free from contact with the soil, you are ensuring that your tomato plant stays healthy and productive throughout the growing season. It is crucial to handle the pruning process with care to prevent any damage to the central stem of the plant. This central stem is vital for the overall health and growth of the plant, so it is important to be gentle and precise when trimming or pruning. By avoiding harm to the central stem, you are ensuring that the plant can continue to thrive and flourish. Take your time and pay close attention to where you make your cuts to protect the integrity of the central stem. Remember, a little extra caution now can make a big difference in the long-term health of your plant. Pruning the lower leaves of tomato plants is done for a few reasons. Increased airflow. Pruning the lower leaves allows for better airflow through the plant, reducing the risk of diseases such as early blight and powdery mildew. Improved airflow can also help prevent issues like stem rot and fruit rot. Better access to sunlight. By removing the lower leaves, the upper leaves and fruit of the tomato plant receive more sunlight, leading to improved photosynthesis and fruit ripening. Resource allocation. By removing lower leaves that are not healthy, the plant can redirect its energy and nutrients to the upper leaves and fruit, promoting overall plant health and fruit production. Easier maintenance. Pruning the lower leaves can make it easier to access and care for the plant, such as watering, fertilizing, and inspecting for pests and diseases. Overall, pruning the lower leaves of tomato plants can help improve plant health, fruit quality, and yield. Trimming the lower leaves to promote proper air circulation and minimize the risk of disease is a recommended practice in plant care. By maintaining a cutting range of 6 to 10 inches above the ground, you can ensure that there is sufficient space for air to flow through the plant canopy, preventing the buildup of moisture and reducing the likelihood of fungal infections. This simple maintenance task not only benefits the overall health of the plant but also contributes to its aesthetic appeal by promoting healthy growth and vitality. When pruning your tomato plants, it is important to take precautions to avoid causing harm. Make sure to use sharp, clean tools and make your cuts as close to the main stem as possible. This will help promote healthy growth and minimize the risk of damage to the plant. Remember, a little care and attention during pruning can go a long way in maintaining the overall health and vitality of your plants. It is essential to emphasize the importance of using clean and sharp pruners when it comes to trimming tomato plants. By doing so, you significantly decrease the risk of introducing harmful pathogens to the plant, which could potentially hinder its growth and overall health. When caring for your plants, it's essential to remember that moderation is key. By only removing a few leaves at a time, you can help prevent unnecessary stress on the plant. This gentle approach ensures that the plant can continue to thrive and grow without being overwhelmed by sudden changes. So take your time and prune with care to maintain the health and vitality of your green friends. Pruning tomato plants in the early morning or late evening is highly recommended to reduce plant stress due to extreme heat. By carrying out this task during the cooler parts of the day, you can help your tomatoes thrive and stay healthy. This practice not only benefits the plant but also ensures that you are taking proactive steps to promote optimal growth and fruit production. So the next time you plan on pruning your tomato plants, consider doing it at the start or end of the day to provide them with the best chance for success. By pruning the lower leaves of your tomato plants, you can enjoy a healthier, more productive garden and a bountiful harvest of delicious tomatoes. So don't hesitate. Get out there and start pruning for the best results. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in maintaining a productive garden. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or would like to share your own pruning experiences, please leave a comment below. And be sure to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and fellow gardeners. Happy organic gardening!